Hello. In today's video I want to talk to you about the cleaning products for coils of your AC. A couple of years ago I had some leftovers from my Web Coil cleaner and I decided to clean the coil on the outside unit, and of course I cleaned everything thoroughly, but look at this, what's going on. And I have a lot of corrosion. This is aluminum corrosion. And my mom has exactly the same unit. I've never done that cleaning on her unit. Her unit looks perfect. There is no corrosion at all. So I'm suspecting there is something with that chemicals that caused accelerated corrosion. Now what's going on? Last night I had a problem when AC turned on. Everything was working fine. All of a sudden I feel like my AC is blowing warm air. Long story short, there was a leak in a system. According to what my AC guy told me, it's probably caused by corrosion. See, everything is basically falling apart. Let me show you right here. See, everything is falling apart. And when he connected his Freon, we could hear there's something escaping those coils. It was like a whizzing thing. So there is a leak. AC is 10 years old. Coils and also compressor got probably damaged because there was not enough Freon. So he said that the bearings got messed up. My AC is about 10 years old. Even though I still have 4 months on warranty, it really does make sense to just replace the parts. So, word of warning, think twice before cleaning your outside coils. From now on, I'm not gonna use any freaking cleaners. Just if I have to, I'm going to go and just use the water. Look at this, everything is corroded. Everything's corroded after 10 years. And also on the inside, on the bottom, you can see the same. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, you can see it. So unit is about 10 years old, and I'm thinking, I don't have any proof of course, that the Web Coil cleaner that I use, that you can get from Home Depot, that's the one that I bought a couple of years ago, accelerated really the corrosion process. So think about twice before you want to do that. If it's really necessary to clean your coils, double check and make sure that you're using the product that it's gonna be neutral, not acidic. Otherwise you may end up with a situation like mine. Alrighty, so today I'm going to have my AC guy install a new unit. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.